Hey guys, this is Tim Dawson with Mountain Automotive. Today I got a 2016 Honda CR-V Touring, all-wheel drive, clean Carfax, one owner. We're gonna walk you around it real fast to show you some features on it. All right, here's a good shot of your rims and tires. No scrapes or scuffs on the rims. Plenty of tread left on the tires as well. Now I did mention this car is a Touring, so it's gonna have every option available on it. Super clean car inside and out. Now if you look right below your mirror, you can see you have a little camera underneath there. That's just when you have your blinker on, you're going to see who's in your blind spot. Now these seats are heated as well. They're also leather seats. There's no rips or tears in these seats. This car's a non-smoker. There's no funny smells on the inside. No cracks or fading in the dash. Again, it's a clean Carfax, one owner. We've also completed an inspection on this vehicle as well, and we're going to do a 30-day warranty on it too. Good shot of your back seat. Again, no rips or tears in the back. This car is very clean inside and out. Another shot of your rims and tires there. Now this CR-V is going to be equipped with a backup camera, and it is going to be all-wheel drive as well too, and you have the power liftgate as well. All you have to do is hit the button right underneath, open up the back hatch for you. Now you are going to be able to fold all these seats down if you need a little more cargo room. To close it, all you gotta do is hit the button, it closes right up for you. Now we do have financing available. We have rates as low as 4.24, and we also work with people trying to rebuild their credit as well too. Another shot of your back seat. Again, no rips or tears in the seats. The 2016 Honda CR-V, clean Carfax, all-wheel drive, Touring edition. Very nice car. My name is Tim. Feel free to give me a call or text at 309-310-3034. Just let me know I can help you out. Now, if you look right here on your door handle, you have a little button right there. What that is, that's for your proximity key. So if you have your key in your pocket, all you have to do is hit the button right there. It unlocks the car for you. You're going to have memory seats on this car. Of course, power windows, power locks, power driver's seat. Again, no rips or tears in these leather seats. You're also going to have a sunroof up top. Got the nice big touchscreen inside of the vehicle. You're going to have navigation, a backup camera, heated seats below. Of course, you will have Bluetooth. I mentioned earlier the blind spot indicator. Let me put it in park. So when you put your turn signal on, you'll be able to see what's on the side of the vehicle there. Again, heated seats. Of course, you'll have cruise control. 2016 Honda CR-V Touring, clean Carfax. Please let me know I can help you out. Give me a call at 309-310-3034. Thank you.